All right, so today we're going to be covering the text-based adventure that I did. So we're going to go ahead and run it. So it takes our name, and then it gives us our quest, and then we're able to accept our quest, and we are able to depart on our journey. So we depart on our journey with hope in our heart. You begin at level 1 and are 100 XP from the next level. You equip the training sword with a new attack of 7, so your attack is 7. Uh, and the training sword has a, or your new attack is 7 because the attack or the training sword has an attack of 5 plus your base attack of 2, which says your attack is 7. Um, and then you enter the forest. Now you're in the forest and you fight an ent, which is basically a moving tree, which is a forest, forest enemy. Then we're gonna fight. And now that we fought, we gain a new trading sword or a new sword. Or no, what did we get? We got a potion. We used the sword and attacked with 5 power, dealt 10.5 damage, because 5 plus our attack, which would now be 7 because of the added 5. Um, we also took damage equal to the attack of the tree minus our defense, which is 2, so it's 4.75. And then we got a healing potion, like I said, and we gained some experience. So now we get to choose where we move to. So now we move to the swamp and we encountered a witch. The witch's attack is 6.75, and we're ready to fight. We took 4.75 points of damage, and we got another potion. So now let's move to the desert. And here in the desert, we encounter a worm. Let's check our status, because our status is also going to print our inventory, although we can just print our inventory. But status gives us our full status, so our character sheet plus our inventory. So now we can see that we have 2 potions in our inventory with 15 potency and 3 potency. So now if we do use potion, we just used the 15 point, and we'll use the 3 point. Then if we, what else? Inventory shows inventory, but that's empty now. Let's fight. That's a healing potion. Oh, and see there, I got ahead of myself and I didn't put in the right one, and so it's going to run it again and make sure that I input the correct, uh, one of the options that actually exists. So I'm going to fight. Do the four fight. What do we get there? We got a coin. So now we have 1 coin in our wallet. We got a healing potion. Swamp. Another healing potion. Or fight. That time we got a sword. Cool. So the weapon dropped, and we got a new attack, which was equal to the damage plus the attack. I actually don't remember exactly what the loot damage is. Equal sword, equip weapon, equal to loot sword attack, and so loot sword initializes as enemy. Okay, so it's the attack of the enemy, of the location enemy. So whatever the attack of the location enemy was, is what the new sword is worth. And then when your attack goes up, so does the enemy's attack, so on and so forth. And you'll see that now. Now let's check or let's go to the forest. We'll check our inventory. This time, just our inventory and not our status. And so now we have 4 potions. So now let's check our status and see how far we are away from leveling up. We are currently at 18 XP, so still quite a ways. So let's use potion. That used our 20, or no, that used our 10, so the top one.